In this video, we are looking at how to set up this countertop time attendance terminal. So we will go straight away and press the menu button here. Select user by pressing OK. We will select add user. These are the user details we are expected to enter into the system for each user. As you can see, these are quite a number of details required for each user. And so we would rather use a computer to quickly enter these details to make it much more easier. So let's go back by pressing on the escape button here. So what we'll do is to connect or put in the USB drive into this machine. So we'll move to the report menu. Press OK to open this menu. What we want to do is to download attendance setting report. So I'll move to this one, select it by pressing OK. So the attendance setting report on which we will enter the users by using a computer is now being downloaded to my USB drive. The download is successful, so I'll press OK and exit all this. So I will remove my USB drive. I'll put it into my computer. On the computer, I'll open the USB drive. We are now in the USB drive, and this is the downloaded file from the attendance device. Let's open it up. Alright, so this is where we will enter each user's details. Each user is expected to be given an ID number. So let's give our first user 100 as his ID number. So we'll put the 100 here under ID. Let's name this user Ben. Let's say he is in the sales department. So I'll type under department sales. If you have cards assigned to each person, you can enter the card numbers here. Other than that, you can leave the card number section blank. Let's add a second user. So under ID, I'll give the second user 200 and name this user Sam. Let's say Sam is in the engineering department, so I'll put in here ENG. We are not entering card numbers, so I'll leave the card number blank. So I'll just go ahead and click on save at the top here. When you come down to attendance setting on the attendance settings tab here, this is a table that gives you the opportunity to input the exact time that each person is expected to start work and when they are expected to close as well. So this is where you need to modify to suit your shift or your times that your workers are supposed to be at work and also leave work. Let's take, for instance, a group is supposed to start work at 7 a.m. You will have to input the 0700 at this point. Let's say they are supposed to close at 5 p.m. So I will enter 1700. You can do for a second shift as well if you have a second shift in place. Even if there is an overtime period, you can input the time here. When you are done inputting all this based on your attendance timings, you can just click on the save button here at the top. And then you can close the program as well. I'll put the USB flash drive back into the attendance terminal. We will go to the menu, move to report, select report. What we want to do is to upload what we have done on the flash drive back onto the attendance terminal.